Samsung is out with its latest Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro this time. First, these are the most durable, everyday smartwatches that you can buy. I mean, this time they've really leveled up their scratch resistance. They are using sapphire crystal glass, which makes both the smartwatches 60% stronger than the Watch 4 Classic. So Galaxy Watch 5 Pro now has improved scratch-resistant glass on the display, and has a titanium body. By combining these two, Watch 5 Pro promises unmatched durability even in the toughest of conditions. We have routes tracking on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro that basically creates a route on your watch using a GPX file that you can import from your phone. After importing GPX file, WatchA gives turn-by-turn navigation for cycling, hiking, and running. And to make a GPX file, you can use Strava for that. After installing Strava, type Strava Route Builder on Google. Next, you can try out Camera Controller app on your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro or Watch 5. If you are looking for a camera handling feature on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, you may not find it if you have a budget device. According to Samsung, you can only access this feature if you have S9 or above, and it will not work other brands. The most noticeable change is that there is no built-in silky fidget spinners this year. Yes, we lost the classic lens physical rotating bezel, and in the Watch 5 Pro Samsung favored us with a touch bezel. It comes in a 45mm titanium case, uses a more durable screen, and has a much larger 590 mAh battery. The most exciting thing about Samsung's watches this year is the Watch 5 Pro estimated 80-hour runtime. If you find some trouble reading text on the small screen, you can triple tap and magnify the display, and you can use 2 fingers to zoom in and zoom out anywhere on screen. To enable this feature, go to Settings and choose Display, and tap on Visibility Enhancements and turn on Magnification. Here you can turn it on, you can read text for further information, and you can triple tap to turn it off. This smartwatch is packed with lots of health features: ECG, body composition, blood oxygen feature, stress tracking, sleep tracking, a lot of great feature available on this smartwatch. And this magnetic D buckle straps is absolutely fantastic, snap on and off quickly, and easily adjustable as well, and one size fits all. And this 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display with 321 ppi pixel density is crisp and clear, which is expected at this price point. Out of the box, we get some cool looking new watch faces as well. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.